Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to the series of seamless pattern design in Amaziograph app in iPad. So let's get started. As you see, I have already taken the hexagonal grid, which is already available in that app. For this design, I'm not using any inspiration. I'm just creating whatever in my mind. I'm creating a geometrical flower design. Adding some little dots and filling the gaps just to look for intricate design. I have taken the background color blue and creating with the white color design. Filling all the gaps. It seems like a blue pottery inspired design. And that's it. We have created a unique pattern design. You can uh, create this design in Adobe Illustrator or various applications. And that's it. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.